Learn how to make money online with Google and earn over $250 daily. Are you ready to discover a free and easy method to earn $300 a day with Google? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through the process step by step. Welcome to Profitability Plus. We're here to show you how to make money from Google with a simple, no-nonsense method. In this video, we'll dive into a method that can potentially earn you $9,000 a month or $300 a day. The tool you'll need? Google News. The best part? You don't need fancy degrees or qualifications, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. This opportunity is truly global. Now, let's dive straight into it. First, head over to google.com. I'm sure you're familiar with this platform. Once you're on google.com, simply type Google News in the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Google News platform. In this first step, all you need to do is select trending or popular topics. You'll find a range of categories like technology, business, sports, entertainment, science, and health in the menu bar. For this video, let's focus on business and health topics. For instance, here's an attention-grabbing headline. How a 24-year-old saved enough money to buy a $250,000 house by living in a tiny home her parents built for her in their backyard. Intriguing, right? Let's keep the momentum going. We'll pick a health topic too, showcasing the versatility of this side hustle. There are plenty of fascinating articles here, but let's zone in on this one. Red meat and cheese are unlikely to lower life expectancy, according to a new study. It reminds me of those studies from the past that claimed egg yolks or coconut oil were bad for us. It's hard to keep up with these studies, but cheese always sparks my curiosity, so let's delve into this one. After selecting your article, let's move on to the next step. Spinbot is a free, yes, emphasis on free, automatic article spinner and text writing tool. It's perfect for paraphrasing and helps you avoid plagiarism. They claim to be grammatically accurate, and from my experience, I can confirm that. It adds a fresh spin to content and is trusted by millions worldwide. Now, let's get to the next step, and I know you're quick on the uptake. Rockstars. It's time to copy the articles from Google News and paste them into Spinbot. Hit that spin button. Let's start with a business article. I won't even attempt to say spin it here, but you get what I mean. Spinbot has done an excellent job. It's different but conveys the same message without triggering plagiarism alarms. The same goes for the health article. It's been spun masterfully. Now, your next task is to review the final article. If you want to personalize it, feel free to remove any unnecessary content or ads and make it read perfectly. I understand some of you might question if this is ethical or legal. It's a valid concern, but let me offer some perspective. Think about Burger King. Did they steal McDonald's business model or did they put their unique spin on it? News networks like BBC, ABC, CNN, CBS, they often report the same news stories from other platforms. What sets you apart is your spin on the content. Remember, only proceed if you're comfortable with this approach. Putting a spin on things is a common practice in many industries. With your freshly spun article, it's time to start making money. I'll share you various platforms where you can post your articles and earn some substantial income. These platforms cover various topics such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Many of them are accessible worldwide. To hit the $300 per day mark, you may only need to post 1, maybe 2 or at most 3 articles, depending on the platform you choose. Imagine how straightforward it is to go from Google News to copying an article, spinning it in Spinbot, reviewing it, and posting it. While you could potentially post an article per hour, let's stay realistic and conservative. Aim for 1 to 3 articles per day, and you'll be well on your way to that $9,000 per month goal. Now, the first platform allows you to earn anywhere from $100 to $500 per article, covering topics like health, home improvement, and more. Check out dotdash.com. Another option, thepennyhoarder.com, pays between $75 and $100 per article, focusing on personal finance, savings tips, budgeting, and money-making strategies. There's something for travel enthusiasts too. The Traveling Writer pays $50 to $200 for travel-related articles, including destination guides and travel tips. For female writers, Women on Writing offers $50 to $100 for articles supporting freelance work, entrepreneurship, and education. Visit world-womenonwriting.com for more details. International Living is another option, paying $75 to $400 per article. Their topics include travel, lifestyle, retirement abroad, and budget traveling. Internationalliving.com has all the info you need. If you're into web design, coding, and related topics, A List Apart pays $200 to $300 per article. Head to alistapart.com for details. I've got more to share, but if you appreciate the effort I've put into finding these opportunities so you don't have to search endlessly, show your support by liking this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It means a lot. To make $300 a day, you may need to post 1 to 3 articles, depending on the platform you choose. It's straightforward. Just go to Google News, copy, spin, and post. Realistic and doable. Before we conclude, I want to ask for your support. Subscribing to Profitability Plus makes a significant difference for our channel. It helps us create more videos like this one, and it keeps you in the loop with our latest money-making strategies. If you're eager for more online income ideas, we have a library of videos waiting for you. Simply hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and explore our channel for even more financial opportunities. Your subscription means a lot to us, and we appreciate your support. Thank you for being a part of the Profitability Plus community. Until next time, stay focused on your financial goals. That's the free and easy way to earn from Google. Remember, if you appreciate our research and want more money-making tips, like and subscribe to Profitability Plus. Your support keeps us going. Until next time, walk good.